guys, this is GXBOB here, welcoming you guys back to showcase another hack for you GX owners out there, aka bunch of numbnuts that have nothing better to do on a beautiful Friday evening. But before I even turn around to start walking like a normal human being, I just wanted to pay tribute to the growing number of Nissan owners that are starting to watch our channel. We welcome you. We also welcome probably one of the biggest competitive group to our GX community channel is the huge group of 4Runner owners that couldn't scrape up enough money to upgrade to the Lexus GX460. We welcome you guys too. So let's go ahead and get started. Whenever I drove, especially in traffic, sitting in bumper to bumper traffic, I would always have to try to get into a comfortable position, because if you sit for way too long, your body just starts getting irritated and you're trying to shift your body, your butt starts to hurt, your spine starts to hurt. I know it's going to start seeming silly, but just trust me on this. Trust me on this. There's a little button right here on the side of your headrest for the passenger seat. Go ahead and remove it. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Leave it on your center console. Now I want you guys to do the exact same thing for the driver's headrest. Push this little notch on the side and pull it out. Go ahead and set this on your center console. Follow me guys, follow me guys. Don't let me lose you guys, okay? You're gonna take your headrest, remember this is the front, take this and face it towards your front shield, and you're going to plug it in. Just like that. You're gonna take this right hand side right here, lean it against the back of your seat. You're gonna take the other headrest, do the exact same thing. Put this right here, lean it against right there. Create a cushion for yourself right here. And let's go ahead and try it out, guys. I know you guys are gonna feel this is silly, but I kid you not, I've sat in first class before on airplanes and it feels just like that. I have proper support for my head and my neck, and it feels super comfortable, especially when I'm sitting in traffic. Mind you, this only works if you don't have a passenger on that side, okay? This is just for the driver. If you're gonna be sitting in traffic, you're gonna be traveling by yourself for a long period of time. This is so great. Let me show you something else. Whenever I take a pit stop, if I'm gonna go all the way up to San Francisco and do an 8-hour drive or something, I'm going to take pit stops and I'm going to take a rest. And let me show you the difference between OEM and this new hack. When I pull my seats all the way back, I have full support of my head and my neck to take a rest and go to sleep. You guys ever buy those neck supports in the airport when you're taking long flights? Because if you're laying against a flat seat, your back and your neck and your head has no support, so you're rolling all over the place trying to find a place to lay your head on. And right here, you got both positions right here to keep your head and your neck in place while you sleep and while you take a nap. Well, let's say you do have a girlfriend or you do have a wife that's traveling with you on a long road trip. What about her? Now that you took her headrest, what about her? Let me show you guys. I want you guys to go to the middle row seats right here, push this on this button right here, take out the headrest. Same thing for this side, push on the button, take out the headrest. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing for your wife, your girlfriend, or for you Bruce Jenners out there, for your lovely boyfriends right here. Now she has awesome head and neck support on a long road trip. Now check it out. Being a passenger isn't so bad anymore. Let's see what it looks like when the seat is upright. Look at this. Just turned your Lexus GX460 into first class seating. And here's another wonderful seat hack for you guys that want to take a rest in your car, waiting for your kids to get out of school, or just pulling over to the side of the road to sleep. If you push your seat all the way back, if you notice, OEM, you are absolutely gonna not have any neck support right here. You have a huge gap right here, which is gonna put a strain on your neck, okay? Right here. The hack is this. you're gonna push the button on the side of your headrest and pull it out, and you're gonna flip it backwards. If you flip it backwards and push it all the way down, now you have a full pillow right here that pushes outward where it's much needed, right here where your neck is. So if you lie down, look at this. The gap went away and you have a really nice pillow to go to sleep on. Go ahead and try it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this new hack. And I know a lot of you guys out there are gonna think that is the stupidest idea I have ever seen in my whole entire life. But I bet you anything, you're gonna go out to your truck and try it. And believe me, you're going to take your truck for a spin for one whole day with it exactly like this, and you're gonna come back and say, God damn it, you're onto something, Bob. Peace! Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm the proud owner of Rent a Whitey. Have you ever gotten a ticket because you don't look like me? Well, hello, officer.
Where you headed, boy?
Just passing through Alabama to get to civilization.
Oh yeah? Where might that be?
Anywhere outside of Alabama?
You know why I stopped you?
I'm the only car without a goat in the passenger seat.
I stopped you because you don't look like you's from these parts of town, boy. You's best be taking your slanty eyes and turning around and head towards the sunset before they find your corpse in the cornfield there yonder. You know what it means?
I know my rights, you know.
Well, look at there. I just found 10 kilos of brown meth in your car.
Hi, sir. My name is Stephanie. What seems to be the problem?
Well, howdy, ma'am. Sorry that I pulled you over, but your registration sticker is 12 years old and both your taillights don't work, and you made an illegal U-turn right in front of the police station, and you ran over a lady with a baby stroller, and your breath smells like Hennessy, and you have a gun lying in plain view on top of your dash. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna give you a little fix-it ticket so you can hurry up and mosey along and go home and make some more white babies. How's that sound?
Oh,
You have a nice day now, ma'am.